Let me show you how to create such floral shape in Adobe Illustrator. Create new document. Keep fill to none. Click on the stroke to bring it front. Then select Ellipse tool. Hold Alt and Shift key, left click and drag to make ellipse. Select Anchor Point tool. Left click on top and bottom point of ellipse. Using selection, hold Alt and resize the shape. Hold Alt key and make a copy. Select Direct Selection tool. Drag and select upper point. From Properties, select Cut Path. Follow the same process for lower point. Shape is now slip into half. Using selection, drag and delete half part. Make a copy of curve line using Ctrl+C. Paste it using Ctrl+V. Follow the process. Drag and select the shape. Go to Object. From Blend, select Make. Again, drag and select the shape. Hold Alt key and drag to make a copy. Right-click, from Transform, select Reflect. Follow settings. Join the shapes. Select all and press Ctrl+G to make group. From Properties, increase stroke size. Click on Stroke and select Profile. Set the stroke size accordingly. Now select another shape. Select Rotate. Hold Alt and left click on bottom point. Set angle to 45. Click on Copy. Drag and select both shape. Select Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt and select the portion to remove. Select both shape. From Properties, align it vertically. Select and fill this shape. Overlap both shapes. Make sure yellow shape should be on front. Right-click, go to Arrange, select Bring to Front. Place shape on each other accordingly. Select both shapes. Right-click and select Make Clipping Mask. To adjust border stroke, double-click on the shape. Hold Alt key and drag inside from corner. Again, double-check. Select Shape. Select Rotate. Follow the same process of Rotate used earlier. Press Ctrl+D to make copies to complete floral shape. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.